Hello storyboarders, my name is Eric and today I'm going to show you how to make a poster using one of Storyboard That's pre-made poster templates. So to get started, let's choose a category from one of our many options. I'm going to go under most popular and choose biographies. Now on this page you can choose any one of the pre-made posters, just pick one you like and click the copy template button below. Now this will bring you directly into the Storyboard Creator where it will prompt you to give your poster a name. You can name it whatever you would like and then click continue. All right, now it's time for us to customize our poster. So this is where you get to add any images, update the text, and make any other changes that you would like. So to start, I would like to add a new character. So I'm going to zoom in and we have this nice placeholder silhouette right here. So let's delete this and add in a character. So go up to your character menu. I'm going to go into the teens category. And let's choose this character. Just drag and drop them into your poster. And now we get to customize our character. So you can update facial expressions, poses, as well as other physical characteristics. There we go. Let's change his sweatshirt. Now, when your character is updated, just click the update pose. And you can move your character to anywhere you would like in your poster. Just drag and move them around, as well as resize them. Just drag the corner of the image to whatever you would like. Let's put them in place here. All right, great. Now next is items. Now you can browse the items category and you can also search for specific items in the upper right hand search menu. I feel like he needs a musical instrument, so let's search for a cello. All right, so characters, just drag and drop it into your poster and you can resize this as well. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Now you can also rotate items and characters. Just go to the top center, grab the button, and drag and turn. So now it looks like he is playing the cello properly. You can also update the colors by selecting one of the pre-selected colors in the right-hand menu. Perfect. Now for backgrounds, you can update the background color, change it to whatever you would like. Now if you want to change the background design completely, just delete the pre-existing design and select a new one in our scenes menu. So I'd like something that's a little bit more on theme. So I'm going to go over to patterns and then scroll over. All right, I like this musical note wallpaper. So I'm just going to drag and drop this into my poster and let's fit to screen. I'm going to choose this crop to fill and then click OK. Now, once you have your scene in place, you can send it to the back of the poster. And like items and characters, you can choose specific colors. And if you would like, you can customize your color from the full color spectrum. Just select whatever you would like. I would like something that matches the musical notes, so it's not too distracting. I think that's good. And when you have your color that you like, you can click the choose button. Now, last but not least is text boxes. Now, to update a text box, you can change any of the pre-existing ones and put in any of your own words. So let's give this poster a new name. My hero name here. Now, to change the font and the font size, just highlight your copy and then go over to the text editor. Like something a little bit simpler. Now that font's a little big, so let's make it a touch smaller. I think that should do it. All right, great. Now you can add additional text boxes by searching under the speech bubbles option. Now, when you're all done with your poster, all you have to do is click the orange Save and Exit button down in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And that is how you make a poster using Storyboard That. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.